Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to check payment status in Shopify store. Why would you want to know how to check payment status in Shopify store? Well, maybe it is your first time using Shopify and not sure how to check payment status in Shopify store. So today I am going to show you how to check payment status in Shopify store. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Checking payment status in Shopify store is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open any browser. Now write admin.shopify.com in search bar. Now here in left corner, you are seeing different options. Click on orders. If you have hundreds of orders and few customers haven't paid, you can check and ask for payment as well. How you can do that? Click on payment status. You are seeing payment status of every customer. You can also contact with those customers who haven't paid yet. There you go. If you wanted to know how to check payment status in Shopify store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.